Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, 8th standard. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Just a minute, I'll drink some water. Okay. You have your maths exam today. Are you all well prepared for that? Very, very easy portion. Yes. Yes, you can ask. You can ask your doubts. This full period is for revision only. Type, don't shout. Type in the chat column. Do the sums properly, your cycle test. Paper should be neat. Whatever works should be done in the rough column on the right side. Okay, like this. Like one scale distance. You take it, make it as a rough column. Whatever calculations that you are doing for the particular problem, it must be there here. Shouldn't use calculators. If you use calculators in mobile phones are doing, if you don't have in the rough column, I'm not going to give you marks. Okay, because LCM and all compulsory. You need to take LCM. I need to see how you are adding and must get. Directly in the calculator, we'll get the answer. I don't want that. I want you to do. Okay, if you don't have the notebook, it is okay. Do in a A4 sheet. You don't have the notebook. Okay, Pogalendi, it's okay. Many of you haven't got your notebooks and textbook. It is okay. No problem. Normally, how you do last year, how I told A4 sheet, do that on a A4 sheet, neatly take photographs properly, then convert into PDF and only upload. Many times I'm repeating this. After conversion only, I will be getting a link. When you can convert that as a PDF and upload only, I will get the link so that on touching the link, your paper, PDF paper will open. Simply if you are taking a photograph and sending like how you send for the photography contest, like that if you do, I won't get only your paper. I won't be getting anything. No links will be, then it is not possible to open and see only. It will just say error. Error, you cannot open the paper. Like that, I will get the message. I will think, okay, this child has not attended properly. We'll leave and we'll go to the next paper. Because many papers we are correcting. I won't be remembering whose paper, what was the problem, what happened and all. We don't know. We correct so many classes. So properly you do your work. Because cycle test not like that only. No. After writing, you will submit. While correction only, I will see that. In the middle, I won't be knowing whose notebook, how they did and all. We don't know. Normally, how we correct all, like that we correct all. I will have my answers. I will solve and will have my answers. Using that answers only, I will be doing correction. Yes, 4 to 5 only, yes. But don't take your own time and take up to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock and all uploading. 5 o'clock means up to 6 o'clock you can upload. Okay, 4 to 5 if you can write, 5 to 5:30 you can upload. If you have some trouble, take up to 6. Many children last year, whatever want you did. Actually, I have given negative markings also. You don't know that. I have given negative marking for those who submitted the next day. Today cycle test will be, how can you do next day? I have given. Some children, they submitted whenever they want, even after 1 week. God knows. Example sums and all I won't give. Example sums, anyway I will be changing the numbers and giving. Okay, what is the exercise model? What models I have taught you only will come. Some other thing other than that, from that book, from this book and all, I won't be asking. Normally, what is the portion we have for rational numbers? That alone. Yesterday itself, we discussed some of the things. Fill in the blanks we'll get. This is cycle test only, Noma. Only 25 marks. So sums won't be more. Understood? Sums won't be more. I have given 4 fill in the blanks for 4 marks. 4 fill in the blanks from anywhere from the particular chapter. What is our portion from that? That will be fill in the blanks. Then comes 2 marks. 5, 6, 6 2 marks questions. 6 2 marks question. 6 questions. This is 4. 4 marks. 4 ones are 4. 4 1 marks. 2 marks question. 6 6 2s are 12 marks. Then 3 marks questions. 3 marks 1. 3 means 3 marks question. 3 3s are 9. So 9 questions I would write. 3 marks question 3 3s are 9. 9 marks for that. So 12 plus this is 6 2s are 12. Right. 12 rounded, 9 rounded and 4. So total 25. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 12 25. This is the model. 1 marks, you know already we have discussed many times. From the chapter, from inside the chapter, anywhere 1 mark. Then comes the 2 marks 1. In 2 marks, arranging them in ascending descending order, comparison, addition and subtractions of rational numbers, simplification, finding the product of the rational number and division of the rational numbers. Everything will be covered. From that, you will have in 2 marks. 3 marks property. 1 is the simplification question where you have to simplify step by step. We have seen many simplifications. Like that, it is one of the simplification and remaining, I told already 3 marks. In that, 1 is the simplification question. Step by step, how to simplify. Okay, first what is inside the bracket to solve, then outside with the number to solve. Like that it is. Remaining 2 problems are properties. Verify the property. I have taken many times from the exercise, go through that. From our exercise only I have given. Verify the properties are given. Associative property is there, commutative property, some distributive property. Whether it holds true or doesn't hold true, anything will come. So from that property verification, it will be there. This is the model of the question. Arranging them in whatever order it is as or comparison, you have to take LCM and do. Like that it is. What is that? Kasturi Mahadevan, what you are asking? Again type. How to do the 3 by 5 into 2 in distributive property. 3 by into 2, why I am going to give? A, B, C. Distributive is something A plus B on C. The formula is there for distribution property, Kasturi. Whatever you want, it won't come. A will be some rational number, B will be some rational number, C will be some rational number. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. First number into first number, added to first number into second number. This is one property. Then the second thing is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. First into first, first into second with the subtraction symbol in the middle. Like this also we have. You have to prove the left side, prove the right side. How we did in the exercise, similar to that of the thing only will be asked. Now revision problems. Let us see some of the problems from the review exercise itself. I have selected some. Okay. Revision. Start doing in your rough notebook. Question number 1. Find any, how many to ask? Any 3 we ask. Find any 3. I will erase this. I was showing you the rough column. Find any 3 rational numbers between NO dot means numbers mark. Find any 3 rational numbers between the set of rational numbers between 3/8 and 5/8. Do this and keep your video on and show me. Any three rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Normally, this is simply hyphen. Normally, 3/8. After that, in the number line, 4/8. Then 5/8. We have one only, we'll say. 3/8, 5/8, middle, 4/8. But I want 3. I can ask any number. 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, any number. How to do the process is there, I have already taught. Write the steps, write any 3 rational numbers and tell me. These type of sums will come, definitely. We have in our example also like this, I have taught that. Exercise also we have seen. Then, yes. So 1/5.
Ma'am, I am showing.
Simplify. Okay, ma'am. Can I show? Show. Yes. Dhanumalya. Nicely show ma properly. Harish. Fasil Ahmad. Yes, ma. Fasil Ahmad, lift your notebook. Little bit. 80. Yes, yes, yes. Super. 10/10 with that you did. Yes. Ashida. Yes. Ashida. Yes. Fasil Ahmad. Good. Dhanumalya.
I am showing, ma'am.
No need to shout. I could see that. I told already, just show. Yes, Kasturi Mahadevan, yes.
Ma'am, I am showing, ma'am.
By 2 you did. I told Salvia, please use your dark pencil. Why I am muted? Now okay. Tanishka, show properly straight. Salvia, use a dark pencil or a dark pen to do. Use a dark pen. We couldn't see anything, ma. You are doing nicely, but I couldn't see that. Trinity, yes, Trinity, good. Keep your notebook straight, Trinity. See how it is. Navina. Okay. Okay. Dhanumalya, okay. Next. Scene. Your tab has low resolution, Salvia. That is the reason. Every time when you show, I couldn't see anything. Then how to see the thing? 3 3s are 8 3s are 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. Yes. With 3 you can do, by 2 you can do. Harihara Sudan, correct. By 10 you can do. Ziona, yes. Jude. Good. Amrita J, yes. Mahesh, yes, good. Harsha, very good. After a long time, Harsha is showing. Diyashri, notebook keep straight, ma. Salvia, now it is visible. Good. Yes, like that. Mahesh, very nice. Clearly it is visible. Diyashri, it is visible. Sanjana, yes, Sanjana. Okay, but good, ma. Then who is showing? Harihara Sudan, Mahesh, Arjun. Super. 40, 19/40. By 40, how you got it? 15/40, 25/40. Yes, you can write any 3 numbers. Yes, super. Take 2 numbers and the numbers are yes. Every sum we can do by 10. Yes, Trinity. You can do. Yes, super, good. Amandini and good. See. Now check your answer. because some papers were very small handwritings. I couldn't see properly. Calib also. Tiny handwriting means it is difficult also. Some were showing like this. Hereafter, I will also show like this only. Okay? I have planned. Okay, ma? The question paper I will show like this. Will you agree what? Show it properly when you show me, no? Show properly. Straight. Okay. Now, when the rational numbers are like this, ma, then you want more, increase the gap. Increase the gap by multiplying the numerator and the denominator of the rational number. We should multiply with the same thing only. Here 10 by 10, use 10 by 10. Here use 3 by, if you are using 3 by 3, use 3 by 3. 4 by 4, 4 by 4. Anything can be done to increase the gap. Normally, I take 10, 3 tens are 30, 8 tens are 80. Because I like 10 table very much. 10. 50 by 80. Now the gap I have increased. 30 by 80, 50 by 80. There are so many rational numbers between. Write any 3. 31 by 80, 32 by 80, 33 by 80. That's all. Otherwise, how many you want? If I ask you 8 also, you can write 8 rational numbers. Very, very easy. 2 marks question. Same question will not come. This number I am not going to give. Understood what I am telling? Some other number. This question will be there because this is our exercise sum only, no? Here I need to write the question. For that I erased. Simplify. Simplification of any type. By taking LCM, by doing multiplication. Question paper simplify I cannot give you. Some other simplify which is other than that. For example, this one do. 5 1 by 2 multiplied by 42 by 5. In the brackets, what is there? Solve that first. Then do with the outside number. Do this. Like this type of simple simplification only you will have. This time try to get full marks. I want the entire class to get 25 out of 25. That's what I kept first chapter alone. One chapter only we kept. So that first you are writing cycle test, you must get more marks. The first rational number multiplied by this. Step by step to solve, then show me by keeping your video on. Let me also do this. I don't have the answer for this. If you show, then I won't be knowing whether it is correct or not. I completed. Yes. I got the answer. Easy. Asal Raja, yes. What is the answer, Asal Raja? What is that? Yes, super. Correct. Asal Raja, correct. Who is this? Swaminathan, Dhanumalia, Jude. Dhanumalia, move the notebook little bit up. Answer will be down only, no. I want to see that. Last answer, show me, Dhanumalia. LCM and all correct. Move your notebook. Ah, yes, correct. Dhanamalia, okay now. Next, Jude, correct, Jude. Super. Clearly showing. Show like Jude both. How he is showing, show like that. Ashida, keep your notebook straight, ma. Sanjana, yes. Little bit nearer bring. Where is the multiplication? Last answer bring. Correct. Good. Ashida, keep your note straight. I already told. Sanjana, over, ma. Good, ma. Hariharasudan. Yes, Hariharasudan. Yes, good. Correct. Next. Fasil Ahmad. Notebook is not straight. What you did is correct. Correct. Checked. Yes. Correct. Next. Diyashri. Yes, Diyashri, correct, ma. Ashida, correct. Next. Super. Shivanuja. Correct. Shivanuja, correct. Answer correct. Striking is correct. Who is this ma? Harish. Harish, another boy. Hariharasudan, another one. Okay. Harish. Harish, correct. Salvia Angeline, yes. Harsha. Very good, Harsha. Good. Salvia, correct, ma. LCM all taken. Yes, this is okay now. Now you are showing okay. Next. Super. Without wasting time, yes, Tanishka J, yes. The answer for this is super. Now, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 2. Those who have not showed, those who have showed, very good. Those who have not showed, still now doing, refer with the board. Okay? Now refer the correct answer. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 2. Multiply by. This is the same thing we need to copy. Brackets are there. Give multiplication symbol only. Here take LCM. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 by 7. It is like this. So directly 49 plus 1 is 50. 50 by 7. Directly you can, instead of this step, you can write directly. 7 7s are 49. LCM only. 49 plus 1, 50 by 7. Now normal cancellation, how we do that simplification only. 1 5s are 5. 5 table. 10 5s are 50. Now this and this 7 table. 1 7s are 7. 6 7s are 42. Now here 2 is very even number. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. Now 1 we got denominator, so we cannot do further. That's all. What are the numerators? 11 into 3 into 10. 11 3s are 33. 33 into 10, 330. Almost everybody did correctly, those who showed now. It's correct. Yes, Kasturi. Okay. So this is the way to solve the problem. Make a tick with your pencil if you are correct. Any problem is there, correct that. Okay. Property solving 3 marks. This is simplification. Property solving 3 marks also very important. For example, I can ask like this. Verify. What is that property? Verify that commutative property is not true, doesn't hold true for the division of 2 rational numbers. Which means, we already told P is a rational number, Q is a rational number, means it doesn't hold true for when we reverse the order. I will give the numbers. I will give any number. For example, 3 by 7. Myself only I must think of. 7 by 2. Like this. Any 2 rational numbers. This is P, this is Q. First you have to write the property. Commutative property of division is doesn't hold true, it will not come. Then you must write LHS, RHS, right side. Left side, P divides Q. What is P? 3 by 7. Divides 7 by 2. What is that? 3 by 7. Multiplication symbol. Make the second number reciprocal. 7 by 2 is 2 by 7. Correct? First number divides means must change. Okay, I am doing this. P divides Q. This is P, this is Q. In the question, I will give this. You have to write this and prove. In the exercise, we have a question like this. So here, I cannot do any cancelling. T2s are 6, 7 7s are 49. Left side is 6 by 49. Okay. Second, right side. Q divides P. What is Q? 7 by 2. Divides. What is P? 3 by 7. The reverse one. First number divides second number. Second number divides first number. 7 by 2 write as it is. Change the multiplication division as multiplication symbol. Make it reverse. Reciprocal. Reverse means reciprocal. 7 7s are 49. And 3 2s are 6. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. 6 by 49 is not similar to 49 by 6. So we have proved this. Commutative property of rational number will not go suitable for division. Like this easily it is there. Many properties, associative 3 numbers. Okay, for multiplication, yes. For division, no, like that is there. Distributive property, same thing. I will give the number. LHS you have to solve, RHS to solve. And if I am asking, verify it holds true means you will get the same answer. If I give it doesn't hold true, you won't get the same answer. Reverse will come. So these types of questions will be asked. Any doubts? Number line and all I have not asked. Number line just to know. Any other doubts? No doubts. Try to get full marks. Neatly do, PDF do, upload. Simply shouldn't ask that. Ma'am, you got my paper. First question. Second question, what the marks I got? That this don't ask. If you properly upload, I will get. That's all. When I will do correction, that time I will do correction and will enter. Shouldn't be asking where is my paper, what is that, what is this. Okay. All the very best. Do properly without referring anywhere. Don't touch the textbook, don't touch the notebook. These numbers are not there. A waste of searching. You should do on your own understanding. That only will help you to get full marks. Thank you. Bye-bye. All the best.